So these are the two raised garden beds that I made out of some old pallet wood for this little community garden that's on this city boulevard right beside my house over there. So this is where the house burnt down, and I was walking by the other day and I had a great idea because there's just this huge rubble of these concrete blocks. And so I had a great idea. I'm gonna take these concrete blocks, I'm gonna put them in my wheelbarrow, bring them over here and build basically a raised garden bed for over here. They also had some landscaping tiles, so I'm gonna make some landscaping tiles across here and then have just a big row for a raised garden bed made out of concrete blocks, and then from there I can grow stuff and people can eat it as they walk down the street. Here's a little update on the community garden I've been putting together on this boulevard here in Surrey. Got some more bricks, so I made this. I'm gonna grow a giant sunflower. It's called a Russian mammoth. I'm gonna grow that right over there. I also had this rain barrel that I'm gonna put here, and hopefully that'll fill up. Make it easy to water everything over here because I don't have a water source other than the rain. I got these two raised garden beds ready to go. Getting some plants. But the big addition was here. I extended this because I had some more bricks. Staggered them as well. I got to play around, took some time. And I also built this trellis out of some 2x4s I had sitting around, and that came out really nice. So that I'm going to be growing beans and peas, maybe tomatoes and stuff. It'll look really nice. Make an entirely green wall. So just got to wait till the weather gets better and then this will get filled up. Okay, here's an update on this community garden. Everything is pretty much set up and ready to go. Weather's getting better. Already started to plant some lettuce and spinach. And I got some more plants that I'm going to transplant, even some peas to get a nice early start on this. So I'll go, I don't know, figure something out. So this community garden that I've been building is really coming together. Now, all the material is upcycled, so I didn't buy anything. I just, these were bricks from a burnt house that was right next door from the old chimney. So everything is built. The next step is really to transplant. I got a bunch of trays over here full of different types of vegetables, the cold crops like lettuce, broccoli, spinach, and I'm going to transplant it and start to figure out a kind of a design. I even got some peas that I'm going to run on the back too, so that should look pretty cool. Can't wait.